welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you a few skincare hacks that you guys can use for Diwali because it is around the corner. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Now this is super important, and unless we don't exfoliate and get rid of the top dead layer and reveal fresh skin from underneath, we won't be able to see results. So for this, you just have to take ground coffee and mix it into your regular body wash. The sand-like texture of coffee works to gently remove dead skin cells, which helps to rejuvenate and boost circulation. Just go in circular motion, and if you think the granules have become a bit too rough, then just keep mixing it with a little bit of water. Do this for about 2 to 3 times a week for best results. And don't forget to moisturize right after that. Your skin will feel super soft, especially rough areas like your elbows. I'm sure for a lot of y'all, the annual Diwali office party is just around the corner and you're going to want to get your skin's glow game on. So I have been using the Olay White Radiance Essence and the Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream. So first I take just a little bit of the essence into my palms. I make sure to spread it well all over my face by dotting it and then massaging it into my skin. When you follow the right skincare regime and your skin is really radiant, plump and glowing, you don't really need to apply too much makeup on top of it. I really like a combination of these two because it really helps in giving me radiant, glowing, firm and super plump skin. And then I apply the Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream and I just pat it into my skin. Post that, all I need to do is just apply a little bit of kajal, apply my favorite nude lipstick and just dab it into my lips, and whatever is excess on my fingertips, dab it on the apples of my cheeks. This gives my skin a really nice radiant natural finish, and it also looks like my skin is naturally flushed. This look is minimalistic, so you can actually wear this every day. So during the festive season, we all have rashes, especially between our thighs, the fold of our arms and also underarms. Now this happens because of synthetic clothes, and the heat and humidity just makes it even more worse. For this, what you can do is take a deo stick like this and just rub it between your hands. You can rub it on your underarms and also between your thighs. Now this is a deo stick that I've got from America. I will leave similar links to the products in the description box. The second thing what you can do is use an anti-fungal powder called Absorb. Now this basically just absorbs all of the extra sweat that you have, and it also keeps that area bacteria free, and that way your rashes also will be lesser. Festivals are all about the shimmer and sparkle, whether it's the pretty outfit or your dazzling chumkas. I want to be glowing inside out. Body shimmers can be quite expensive, and frankly, I love to make my own. And the trick is to add a few drops of your highlighter to your moisturizer for a subtle shimmer. So just mix both really well and apply it on any part of your body where you want your skin to look really hydrated, highlighted and glowy. You can choose a really light moisturizer that is not going to make your skin look too sticky, but you'll also have that shimmer and glow. During the season, we also love to wear our backless blouses and cholis, right? And we also like to keep all of our hair away and do like a really nice sleek updo or a bun. But I have noticed a lot of people have like darkness behind in this area of their neck, and I have a remedy for that. So take 2 spoons of potato juice, half a spoon of brown sugar and a few drops of lemon. So first take a hot towel and just keep it on the targeted area. Now this will really help in softening your skin. It'll also help in opening your pores up slightly so the product penetrates into your skin and works better. Raw potato is said to have mild bleaching properties, which naturally lightens skin due to its high quantities of vitamin C. And then apply this mixture and go in circular motion, and do this for at least 2 to 3 minutes and let the mixture stay on your skin for 15 to 20 minutes. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Do try these hacks out before Diwali. Give this video a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family and girlfriends. Subscribe to my channel, and I wish you guys a very happy Diwali, and I'll see you all really soon. Bye!